Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on subtraction, part 2. This video is a continuation of the previous lesson. Here we will concentrate solely on subtraction with trading. So the first one here we have 73 minus 36. 3 take away 6 we cannot do, so we trade. Here we have 7 tens. We make that 6 tens, and that's the 10 there. That's the trading. So that's 13 ones now. 13 take away 6 is 7, and 6 take away 3 is 3. And the answer is 37. Now, a very quick way to check this, if your answer is correct, and here's how you do it. 6 plus 7 is 13. 3 plus 3 is 6. That's a quick check. The next one, 80 minus 42. 0 take away 2 we cannot do, so we trade. So this 8 now becomes a 7, and we put one of the 10s there. 10 take away 2 is 8, 7 take away 4 is 3, the answer is 38. Quick check, 8 plus 2 is 10, 3 plus 4 is 7. 698 minus 259. 8 take away 9 we cannot do, so this 9 becomes an 8, and the 10 goes to there, so that's now 18 ones. 18 take away 9 is 9, 8 take away 5 is 3, and 6 take away 2 is 4. Quick check, 9 plus 9 is 18, 3 plus 5 is 8, and 4 plus 2 is 6. 762 minus 378. 2 take away 8 we cannot do. So this 6 here becomes a 5. That's the 5 there, this one. That one there, that's what we're focusing on. So the 10 goes there, so that's now 12 ones. 12 take away 8 gives us 4. Now you remember that was a 5. That was a 5 there, remember. 5 take away 7 we cannot do. That 5 there, take away 7 we cannot do. So this 7 becomes a 6, and we trade. So we have a 1 here now, so that's now 15 tens. So 15 take away 7 gives you 8. And 6 take away 3 gives you 3. Quick check, 4 plus 8 is 12, 8 plus 7 is 15, and 3 plus 3 is 6. Next we have 500 minus 247. Now if you remember what we did in the previous video, we go right across to here, to the hundreds column. Okay? Because 0 take away 7 we cannot do, and we can't trade because that's a 0. So we go right across to this column here. So this 5 becomes a 4, and then we put a 1 there. So that's now 10. See that? Now we can trade. 0 take away 7 we can't do, so that 10 now becomes a 9. And there's the 1. 10 take away 7 gives us 3, 9 take away 4 gives us 5, and 4 take away 2 gives us 2. Quick check, 3 plus 7 is 10. 5 plus 4 is 9, 2 plus 2 is 4. This is a very interesting one. 8,532 minus 2,674. 2 take away 4 we cannot do, so we trade. That 3 becomes a 2, so it's that 2 there, that one here. Okay, so there's the 1. 12 take away 4 gives us 8. Now 2 take away 7 we cannot do. Okay, you can see that. 2 take away 7 we cannot do. So we go across here. That 5 becomes a 4. So it's that 4 there. Okay? Which means we can put 1 there. So that's now 12 tens. 12 take away 7 gives us 5. So that's okay now. Now remember we ended up with a 4 here after we did the trading. 4 take away 6 we cannot do. So we go across to here and make that 8 a 7, and the 1 comes across to here. So 14 take away 6 is 8, and 7 take away 2 is 5. So let's quickly check. 8 plus 4 is 12. 5 plus 7 is 12. 8 plus 6 is 14, and 5 plus 2 is 7. That's a very quick way of checking that you're correct. 9,000 minus 5,364. Right across to here. Okay. Now, this is a 9, so we have to trade. That now becomes an 8, and that becomes a 10. Same thing again. We trade, that becomes a 9, that becomes a 10. Same again. We trade, that becomes a 9, and that becomes a 10. So now we're all set. 10 take away 4 is 6. 9 take away 6 is 3. 9 take away 3 is 6. And 8 take away 5 is 3. Quick check, 6 plus 4 is 10. 3 plus 6 is 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. And 3 plus 5 is 8. And that's how we check that we're correct. And I've got a little exercise here for you to do, so you can pause the video for as long as you want and do this exercise, and then you'll be able to check with your colleagues or with your teachers how you went. So I hope you've enjoyed this little video, which has continued to present subtraction with trading.